Arms, yeah. Yes.
Like wearing a big coat.
Like wearing a big coat? Yeah. We'll do one more, Tessa.
Like an ice cube?
An ice cube. Perfect. Okay. So now, Miss Rita Wexler is going to split you guys into groups, and you're going to do the rest of the words on that list.
Why do you have to wear that? Camera.
I'll do that
Hey, why do you have to wear that? Because that camera can follow.
Okay, so you're going to be in groups of about 5. So if I touch you right now, you're going to go right here, okay? So you.
No.
Okay. You. And you. And Shahed. You'll go over there.
Bye-bye. She said still.
Okay, I'm not going to touch you. I'm just going to point to you, and you're going to do what I say. So you're going to go over there, and no, Connor, you're in that group, so go over there. You 5. And then the rest of you will stay at carpet to do it, okay?
And your guys' voice level right now is 1. But while we're in our groups, Jasmine, while we're in our groups, our voice level is going to be at a 3. Can someone remind me what a 3 is?
And Jonathan, do you want to join that group too? Actually? Okay. And then, Damon, will you pass out a piece of paper to everybody, please?
Yes.
And will you, Brayden, pass out a pencil to everybody? Everyone should have one pencil. And then I'll just give them the dice. And Mustafa, will you pass out a word list to everybody?
Here's 2 more. Just
Pass them
each group.
to every group. So,
There's one for that group. They need 1.
yes, every group will get 1 dice.
And I need a clipboard. We need a clipboard.
Okay, do you all have a piece of paper?
Who needs a piece of paper?
Yeah. Here, just drop it down for them and then give the other one to them. I gave you a piece of dice. Did you grab the dice?
Hey.
Oh,
I like green dice.
You want a green one?
Yeah.
You guys are all sharing one dice though.
I already
So.
have one.
Oh, you already have it. Okay. It's okay. Just make sure you give it back to me. I'm going to remember that you have it.
Thank you.
Okay, so since we did a practice with the word hold,
I'm first.
since we practiced, we're going to start at number 2, okay?
I go first. I go second.
Since she's already since she's already holding the dice, she's going to go first, and then it's going to go in a circle, okay?
Can I go first?
No, she's going first.
No. Second, third.
She got 2. So what does it say to do
Then
if you get a 2? Okay, it's okay. We're playing now. So she did draw it. So let's all, the word play, let's draw a picture that reminds us of the word play.
Can you write play? Where's your pencil?
Here, Brayden, can you give Zane a pencil, please? Jasmine, do you have a pencil? Here, Brayden. Jasmine needs a pencil too.
Draw a picture of
Good, that's a great picture.
Draw a picture of play. Well, we're out of the board, okay? Go back to your spot. If you're going to throw, do you have your own?
Here, give me the rest of the pencils. Yes. You need a pencil too.
It's your turn now.
It's your turn to roll.
I need pencil.
You need a pencil.
How about this one?
Is it sharpened? Yeah.
I got one.
Okay, who's going to roll next? We're going in a circle. So Damon. Okay. Give it to Brayden. Because we're trying to go in a circle and he was originally sitting over here. I know, but we're not calling turns.
I have to go turn. Otherwise I will.
Okay, so we're still on play, so roll again. Roll the dice, Brayden.
Roll the dice. I
3. So what does it say? Make a list of synonyms. And do you remember what that means? Synonyms means the same. So write down words that are the same as play.
What's
Write it on your blank piece of paper, yeah.
It has to go to Jasmine or Damon. Because those are right beside Tay.
We're writing a list right now of words that are the same as the word play. Jasmine, you haven't even you didn't do the draw it. So you're supposed to have drawn a picture. You guys were all supposed to have drawn a picture because that was the first one. Draw whatever reminds you of the word play. It's whatever reminds you of the word play. We're on the word play right now. You were supposed to have already drawn a picture. So will you please draw a picture?
I'm going to make a whole entire plate.
Brayden, draw a picture.
We did cold as a class, remember? Miss Olivia was sitting up there.
But that doesn't count.
Okay, if you want to do cold, just go ahead and do it. But everybody else already did it. So you either need to draw a picture of cold or play. How about cold or play?
Here. I'll give
The word that we came up with
you a
as a synonym for play.
Okay.
Okay, so we were.
Okay.
I'm drawing the baddest person that I ever can draw. I can draw way better than this. Look at me. Look how fast I
Looks good. They're playing.
Look at my terrible person.
Okay,
I can
Tessa,
write much better.
it's your turn to roll dice now.
And then my turn, and then a whole.
So you got. We already did 3, so now you're gonna roll it again.
Ow.
Connor, can you lean back?
3 again. 3.
Okay, 1. So you're gonna define the word. We're gonna define the word play. So what do you think the word play means? What do you do when you play?
Can I do something that I play with?
Or how do you play when you play? Like, what do you do? What were you gonna say? What do you play with?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I tell you what I play with.
Sure. Yeah. That's what I know.
Like I play with my chickens.
You play with your
I
chickens.
have 11 chickens, I think.
How do you play with your chickens?
I catch them and put in my book
Okay.
what I got.
She lost one of them.
Nope. I have anything. One got pecked to death by other chickens, and one never came back. But the good news is we're getting 2 new chicks.
Good.
And
Okay.
I'm probably gonna bring them.
Does anybody have another idea of the definition of play?
Wait, what does that mean?
Play? Like when you're playing outside?
No, definitely.
Oh, the definition, so the meaning. So what does play mean? Connor, what?
Tag or like.
Yeah, so like tag or like playing is usually something physical. You're doing something with friends. You're enjoying it. You're having fun.
I hate my person I draw.
Tag could be it. It's okay, Tessa. Don't worry.
So what do we draw? What do we draw? 6. Make a list.
We were writing what our definition of play was, what our meaning was.
Wait, no, he got 6.
She wrote the word tag, so like she plays tag, you play on the playground. And then number 6 is an antonym. So what is the opposite of the word play?
I thought we were doing 6. What does 6 mean?
No, we're still on the word play.
Wait, we skipped 6.
I know. So we are doing, Connor, remember 6 on the board is what we're doing.
What's the opposite of play?
So what is the opposite of play? When you're not playing, what are you doing?
That's playing.
That would be playing.
Not paying attention. Not paying
Yeah.
attention.
So
Not paying not paying a date. Or not reading. Or not like
or
doing something
sitting.
today.
You're just sitting when you're not playing, or yeah, you can write you're sitting.
I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna rewrite pictures.
Or you're supposed to write it. Write this one. Number 2 is the only one you draw for.
No. It's like a yeah. I drew Slender Man.
Slender. Yeah, it's Lauren's turn to roll.
Get my baby pencil. Say what she rolled. She rolled that one.
1. Okay, so we're going to roll it again because we already did 1.
Wait, what was one?
It was the definition.
Oh yeah, I already did that.
Yeah.
I don't want the white shit. So boring. I don't want the white shit. 4. I'm gonna go
Oh, no, what does it remind you of?
Can't find
Did we already do that?
What does play
No, we didn't.
remind you of?
What does the word play remind you of? What does it make you think of? Swinging is something, yeah. Swinging would work.
Swinging. Yeah, swinging.
Swinging.
I'm going.
The word play reminds them of swinging.
My turn?
Okay, now we're going to move on to the next word. The next word is house.
What the? Going to the
Yep.
bathroom.
All right.
So we're doing what?
We're going on to the next word, house. She rolled a 2, which means draw. So draw a house.
Okay, everything. I'm drawing everything on my paper.
Carter, the only one you draw is this one that we're doing.